How to love a man. Subscribe this channel Differences Switzerland Project. Tips number 1. Understand. He will never be perfect. At some point he will be inconsistent. Sometimes he will be impatient. Sometimes it will be hard for him to handle your mood swings. He gets angry too. His mood changes as well. 2. Freedom. Give him the freedom to do the things that he likes. Do not box him. Do not choke him in the neck. The truth is, if he really loves you, he will never do things that will hurt you. He has a life to live, so do not take that away from him. You are not his world. You are just a part of it. Tips 3. Reciprocate. Make efforts for him too. Ask him how his day went. Ask him what went wrong. Love him hard as well. Be patient with him too. 4. Respect. You have to respect his choices and decisions. Give him respect that he deserves. 5. Affection. Show him that you care. Wrap him with warm hugs. Show to him that you are always there for him. 6. Attention. Like you, he needs your attention too. He needs reassurance as well that he is the only one for you. Do not give him reasons to doubt you. Remember that there will never be a perfect man. At some point, you will get disappointed and upset because he did not become the man you expect him to be. But because you love him, you accept every bit of him. If he is worth the risk, keep him.